Can you make soap without a stick blender? Yes, of course. You can do anything that you put your mind to. However, you need a stick blender. Like, yeah, you can make it, but you need a stick blender because if you use a spatula to make soap, it is going to take forever. You have to stir rapidly for a long time to make sure all those oils and butters mix together with the water and the lye to make soap. It takes a long time. Like, I'm a very little patient, so I tried it and I was stirring for about 5 minutes and I was like, nope, I'm done. Because the thing is, when you add a stick blender, that time is cut in half. Like literally, oh, this not plugged up. I was just like pressing the button, y'all, because I wanted y'all to hear it, but it's not even plugged up. Anyways, I digress. So you need the stick blender because it's really going to cut that time in half, especially if you have a soap recipe with a lot of liquid soaps, liquid oils like olive oil, avocado oil, castor oil. Those are very slow moving oils in that it's going to take a little bit longer to reach trace because they are liquid oils. You're definitely going to need a stick blender because if not, you're going to be stirring forever. So can you make it without a stick blender? Of course you can, because like I said, you really can do anything you put your mind to. And like back in the days, they didn't have stick blenders. So what you think they were doing? They were stirring. So when they say soap made with love, they really meant that. Like blood, sweat, and tears, time, love. Like that's love, y'all. That's love. So yes, you can do it, but you should invest in a stick blender. And stick blenders really aren't that expensive. I got this one. This is actually my first stick blender that I used. And I got this from Amazon back in 2018. Can y'all believe it? 2018. And it still works. I mean, like, here I am pressing it again, y'all. My bad. Like, it's not plugged up. But the point that I'm making is that it does still work. I do use a Hamilton stick blender now, which again is not very expensive either. This I think was like $12. The Hamilton one at Walmart, I think I bought it for like $30, and it's probably around the same price now. I bought it like 2 years ago. It works great. My business hasn't like elevated to like the industrial $100 stick blender yet. So one day I'll get there, guys, one day. But for now, I am just using like either this one, if my Hamilton one is dirty, I use this one, but otherwise it's the Hamilton one, which only because I use that one more than this one, only because it is stronger. So I'll have patience. And the Hamilton one's going to get me to trace a lot quicker than this one will. So they both work quickly. But yeah, so you don't need a stick blender, but you need a stick blender. If you want like one-on-one, like a one-on-one experience of someone showing you how to make soap, whether it be hot process, melt and pour, because if you're doing melt and pour, you don't need a stick blender at all. Like for real, you don't need one. So if you're interested in learning how to make soap with any of those methods with an experienced soap maker since 2018, then check out the comments. I'll have a link to the courses, not courses, classes, because these are live in person. So this isn't like you watching a video. It's going to be me and you. Only me and you too. And I'm going to teach you how to make soap. I'm going to send you a supply list, give you written instructions before the class, and it's just going to be private time for you and I. So I can teach you how to make soap and answer any of your questions in live. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out the comments. And thank you.